Hello, welcome to course Problem Solving using C. In this course, the another important topic is the conditional one. The most of the people will not use this kind of conditional operator for checking the condition, but most effective way of you writing a program, you have to use this, which reduce the complexity of the problems, but will be very complex, compact and modular way. So this is very important. And how do you use this conditional operator for taking a decision, right? So jump into the explanation. So conditional operator is conditional operator. There is a question mark followed by colon, followed by colon. This is called as a conditional operator. Instead of using if statement, if else statement or simple if statement, you can go with the conditional operator. The conditional operator is similar to the if else, similar to the if else. It is also known as ternary operator, ternary operators. Okay. So ternary operator, it returns the first value of expression. It is going to evaluate the first expressions, right, before the colon, before the colon. If expression is true, second value of expression, right, if expression is true, and second value of expression if expression is false. That means if expression is true, that first statement, first value will be executed. So first value will be written it. If that is a false, the second value will be written. So look at this. When this expression is true, when this expression is true, this will be written it. If it is false, this will be written it. Okay. So this way you can directly check the decision, check the condition, and based on the condition, whether it is a true or false. If it is a true, this will going to evaluate. If it is false, the expression 3 will be going to evaluate, right? So look at this. So when it is a true, result value will go to the variable. So if it is false, then the return value will go into variable. Result values are not a return value. The whatever the value are evaluated by expression 3, that result will be stored in the variable. So this way you can evaluate. Okay. So how do you write a flow chart for conditional operator? Like that. If it is a expression 1, you take the same expression. So if it is true, this evaluated, its results return to the variable. If it is false, the expression 3 is evaluated, its result is stored in variable. So here expression 1 is the condition to be evaluated. If the condition expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be executed and result will be returned. Otherwise, if condition n is false, then expression 3 will be evaluated. Let us demonstrate it using some of the example. Look at this. I use the same example which I have given it for the if statement. I need to find out the largest number from given two numbers using conditional operators. I will use that int a comma b, which are the two number. You will read it from the user. The result will be stored in the max. Enter two numbers. I'll check the max is a variable here. If a is greater than b, a value will be written it. Then it is true. And a, this condition is become false, then this value will be written to, this become a false value, right? Okay. So that way you can do it. Right. Which that is become enter two numbers. 5 is the 5 and 4 as enter the largest number. Thank you. With this complete decision making statement. I explain it. Have one is left out in that decision making statement, that is which statement. I come up in the next video. Until then, please keep watching my videos. Thank you.